In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. If you're interested in boosting your marketing strategies and reaching your audience more effectively, then you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step to get you up and running in no time, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Klaviyo account. Make sure you have your credentials handy to avoid any delays. Once you've gained access, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on Profile and then go to Settings. Within this menu, you'll see an option for SMS. Click on that to get started with setting up your SMS marketing. Once you're on the SMS page, you'll find a button that says Set up SMS. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the setup process. Now, an important choice awaits: selecting your sending number. Klaviyo offers the option of using either a toll-free number or a short code. Depending on the scale and nature of your business, you might prefer one over the other. A toll-free number usually adds a sense of authenticity, while a short code can be memorable and concise. After your sending number is chosen, it's time to set up your SMS compliance settings. This is crucial for ensuring that your SMS marketing adheres to legal standards and respects user privacy. Take a moment to set the opt-in language, which will inform subscribers about what they're signing up for. This ensures transparency and builds trust with your audience. Next up, you'll follow prompts to create a list or segment specifically for your SMS subscribers. This will help you efficiently manage your messaging campaigns and target the right audience. Whether you're creating a new list or adapting an existing one, make sure it aligns with your marketing strategy. Now, move over to the campaigns or flows section. This step is where you can add an SMS message to your communication strategy. Think about what kind of message you want to send and how often. A thoughtful approach to messaging can yield better engagement from your recipients. With your campaign in mind, you'll need to write the actual SMS content and set the timing for when it should be sent. Keep messages concise but impactful, as brevity is key in SMS marketing. Additionally, timing can greatly influence how your message is received, so consider when your audience is most likely to engage. Once your content is ready, click Review and turn it on. This step gives you a final opportunity to make sure everything is perfect before your campaign goes live. After reviewing, it's time to preview your SMS to see how it looks on a mobile device. Last but not least, you can either send the message right away or schedule it for later depending on your strategy. And that's it. You're now all set up with SMS marketing on Klaviyo. By following these steps, you're well positioned to enhance your marketing efforts and make more personalized, direct contact with your audience.